Hey friends, and welcome back to Violin Teacher YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you another tip for my series, The Art of Vibrato. And this is something that I want to point out, just a real quick tip. If you're doing your vibrato this way, I want you to stop, okay? Don't do it like this. And this is a finger vibrato. And it's not an accepted way to do it. Okay, so let's try to not do it that way. We have wrist vibrato, arm vibrato, and that's it. We don't have finger vibrato. And finger vibrato can just kind of creep in, especially for beginners when they want to start getting a nice vibrato sound. And if you don't catch it, then the beginner will just do it that way. So it's really hard to get rid of this kind of vibrato if you are doing it and it goes unchecked. So check yourself. Don't use finger vibrato. While both pieces of art may have required hours of dedicated work to complete, and probably both inspired joy in the creative process, only one is considered universally to be a masterpiece. And it's very much the same between finger bouncing versus a true vibrato. One is childlike and ever will remain so. The other takes more training and for many players less instinct, but with patience can become rich and colorful in its potential to enhance musical expression. Now here's an example. You can basically what finger vibrato is bouncing the string. And you're not really doing a legit vibrato like rolling the fingertip on the string. You're bouncing the string up and down, and so thereby you're altering your tone. Listen to it carefully. The sign is that the other fingers bounce too, see? So if I'm doing a bounce like up and down instead of back and front like this, if you see a student doing it like that and the other fingers are bouncing. And also a signature of the finger vibrato is a sort of real narrow sound. There's absolutely no variation to this sound at all. You don't have the option of going wider or faster or slower. And it's a very little thing. It's a vibrato that never grows up. So don't do it, okay? All right, so finger vibrato is not real common, but I see that in my studio every once in a while. And I'd like to give you that tip not to do it. It's not a good idea, and it's not a vibrato that is going to go along with good technique. If you found this tutorial helpful, I hope you will like the video, and thank you so much for watching.